Haiti is poor because the people made a pact with the devil. They made a deal with the devil. Haiti is poor because the people are uneducated and ignorant. The Haitian people lives on $1 a day. In fact, we are so poor that people are eating dirt cookies. And these are just some of the emphatically false narratives that are often printed in the archives of major newspapers around the world and regurgitated pitbull canine journalists. Why do third world countries like Haiti face so many outside resistance when it comes to economic growth? Why is Haiti so poor? That is the question. That is the question often asked about Haiti. But one should also wonder, if Haiti is such a poor country, why is it that someone is always digging in its pockets? Why is Haiti poor? With military force, military threat. You see, after the revolution, Haiti was on quarantine. Nobody wanted to mess with Haiti. No country would give Haiti diplomatic recognition. Why is Haiti so poor? Well, with military threat. In 1825, King Charles X demanded that Haiti pay what is called an independence debt. You may ask, what is an independence debt? Let me explain. You see, Haiti, at one point in time, was the richest colony in the world. It was even nicknamed Pearl of the Antilles by the empire. Haiti was the leading producers of sugar, rum, cotton, indigo, and coffee, to name a few. And it was the French that was in control of these cash crops. They were in control of this economic powerhouse. Now get this, the total export from Haiti to France even exceeded the export of all 13 American colonies to Great Britain combined. Let's take a few steps back. 1789. 60% of France and Britain's coffee came from Haiti. And as for sugar, 3/4 of the world relied on Haiti. Haiti was not only the richest colony, but the busiest trade center in the world. Crazy, right? So why is Haiti poor? King Charles X, who was pressured by slave owners of Haiti to pay restitution and seek revenge. After the revolution, Haiti found herself alone in the middle of the ocean. And just like today's coronavirus, Haiti was placed on quarantine to prevent freedom and escape. And on the coast of Haiti remained a constant threat of military force, military forces of the empire. Jean-Pierre Boyer, who was president at the time, decided that the only way Haiti's going to get out of isolation was to give in. And since we lost over 40% of our population during the war, we couldn't afford to engage in a war with the empire. That would be suicide. So in 1825, Jean Boyer was forced to sign what is called the Royal Ordinance of King Charles X. Now, this ordinance required that Haiti reduce all French imports by at least 50%, not to mention the 150 million francs, which is French currency, to compensate the slaveholders for their loss of property, or stolen property, and slaves. So, in a way, Jean Boyer figured that this had to be done to avoid diplomatic isolation. What would you do if you were surrounded by a Navy cruise? Now, this 150 million francs was to be paid in 5 installments. So if you do the math, 5 installments of 30 million francs. It was to be paid in 5 annual installments. With a crippled economy, Haiti was unable to meet the demands, meet the schedule. So, what do you do when you don't have money? You try to borrow. Now, the problem Haiti had with borrowing money, we couldn't go nowhere. We were isolated. We were surrounded by empire forces, army ships, and no country would give us diplomatic recognition. And since Haiti was in total isolation, the only way she could borrow money was through the French banks. For Haiti's first installment, first 30 million francs, the French banks deducted 6 million for bank fees, and the other 24 went to the French reserves, went to their stash box. And this was the beginning of Haiti's exodus into poverty. So from 1825 to 1947, Haiti was stuck in an economic mouse wheel. Why is Haiti poor, you ask? America. 1915, military occupation, which took control of the institutions, while the American banks, like the Citibank, took over Haiti's financial system. So for 122 years, Haiti continued to pay debt. A debt that could never be repaid. 80% of Haiti's revenue went to paying recognition of Haiti's well-earned independence. So today, Haiti is still paying debt from its amputated financial system. And these are just some historical facts that should leave no more wonders of why Haiti is still poor.